of course, when we miss and the bat looks angry, we're not getting any sounds associated with it. So maybe what we should do is also play a sound when you miss the bat. So let's go to the black bar code where the code for checking for if we hit or missed the bat. I'm going to press stop so that stops moving. We're going to add a new sound. So what we want to do is play sound and put it in the same place for missing the bat. But I don't want to do pop. What I want to do is pick another sound. So let's go to the Sounds tab here on the upper left. And then the Sounds tab, at the lower left of the Sounds tab, I can choose a new sound. Just like I can choose a new sprite, I click on the hourglass and a whole bunch of sounds come out. Now I can hover over the play button and I can hear it. Now which of these sounds like you missed the bat? Maybe that one. That could be nice. I feel like they're not necessarily awful at it. How about cheer? No. No, these are all not great. What about, ooh, crash? Or maybe crash. I kind of like crash cymbal. Let's pick this one. So we have a crash cymbal sound. And now if we go back to the code, we can use the crash cymbal sound because it now shows up in our sound pop-up. So let's pick crash cymbal, and if we play, then we hit the pop when we hit the green part, and we hit the, if we hit the green, it spins the bat, and if we hit the red, then it plays the cymbal sound. Great.